Hazrat Abu Humayd Sayyidi radiyallahu anhu told Hazrat Urwa, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent a man as a collector. After performing his duty, he came back and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this wealth is for you, whereas this has been presented to me as a gift. This wealth is for you, whereas this has been presented to me as a gift. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, you should have stayed at your father's or your mother's house, and then you might see who would or would not give you a present. So after the Isha prayer, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up, testified that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, praised and glorified Allah Jalla Jalaluhu as befits him, then said, to proceed, what has happened to a collector? We appoint him as a collector, but he later comes to us and says, this is your revenue, whereas this has been given to me as a gift. Why should he not remain in his father's and his mother's house, then see whether he is or not given any present? So by him in whose possession Muhammad's soul is, none of you misappropriates this wealth, but he will come carrying on his neck on the resurrection day. If it is a camel, it will come rumbling. If it is a cow, it will come bellowing. And if it is a goat, it will come bleating. I have conveyed it to you. Abu Humayd narrates, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then raised his hand until we saw the whiteness of his armpits. Hazrat Abu Humayd says, Hazrat Zayd bin Thabit radiyallahu anhu heard this hadith from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam along with me. You can also ask him about it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6636.